fam. All of a sudden, fam. Hey, all of a sudden, fam. Hey, all of a sudden, fam.
All of a sudden, yeah, 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 all of a sudden, yeah.
What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. We are headed to our good friend Marion David's to watch the Super Bowl, and it is currently snowing, like mixed with rain, but we're excited. We're just gonna hang out with some friends, have a good time, watch the Super Bowl. I'm all about the commercials, really. I'm all about the commercials. So yeah, check out the snow though. Well, you can't even really see it.
As you can see, it's snowing outside. I said come in, so all of a sudden, fam.
Hello.
All of a sudden. What's up, Jake? Super Bowl with the Jake.
What it do?
This is Jake. Hey, bud. Let's get this. New room alert. What you got working right here? What kind of setup?
PlayStation, speakers, TV.
What size TV is that?
32 inches.
Oh man, let me see that mini fridge. Woo! That's new. Got the PS4.
This is like Star Wars and Halo stuff. You got all my trophies and some other sports stuff. Ken Griffey coin.
Okay.
Airplane models. This license plate from Hawaii. You have my hats.
All of a sudden, fam.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden, fam.
Oh, look at that mic.
Oh, look at this. There's Mary Jane.
Is that your queso dip? I think I've seen DJ snap that.
You have to get it while it's hot.
If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me.
Did you give us a comprehensive interview of the halftime show?
Lady Gaga did a great job because she actually sang. At least I thought she did. But I wish she would have brought out a guest like Beyonce. She is from Houston. Maybe little Kenny Rogers. He is from Houston. 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 6. Only a 6 because she actually sang.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to be entertained.
Yeah,
it's not
it was-
musical quality,
it was
right?
boring. It was
Major
boring.
key is entertainment.
Lady Gaga, come on! I need me some Drake. I need me some Migos. I need anybody.
Mom, can I have a cookie?
Don't mind how many of you had.
4. How many rings does Brady have? How many cookies have I had?
Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks.
MTV, welcome to my crib. I always carry a cookie around because I'm a girl. Seahawks fan cave, where there is no off season. Let's get it. Boomerang, straight from Australia, right from the outback, carved by a kangaroo. Comprehensive candy stash review. So first we have to move the...
Hold up! What's this Red Robin balloon doing here?
To hide the candy stash. Open it up. First thing you'll
Okay,
see
fam.
is a Ziploc bag.
What?
Full of Jolly Ranchers.
Why do you have that?
Why not? Skittles, you know, we have tons of these. Kit Kats, obviously. Gummy bears, obviously.
That's a must.
Some people don't see this as a must, but Whoppers. It's a necessity. Whoppers are the best. Sour Patch Kids. Starburst.
What about these right here that just fell down?
Oh, Mentos High Chew Gum.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Hey.
They're so good. Here we have some Airheads and Milk Duds. It's a small size, but I have like 12 in here. So this is the best because I got it for Christmas.
Why'd she give that to you though?
Because she has a crush on me. Yo, I might have to say if she asks me out, I might have to.
You might have to say.
I might have to. You say it out of there. I might have to be. Bye. Okay. What's up, guys? 1 second. Gotta clean up the shoes. Crep wipes. I'm going to be doing the top 5 sneakers in my collection. Starting at number 5, Jordan 12 Masters. At number 4, the most comfortable shoe I own. But at number 4, the Ultra Boost. They feel like you're walking on clouds. At number 3, we have my favorite silhouette of all time, the Jordan 1. We have the Jordan 1 Storm Blues, I think. Hello? That's for you. You're gonna answer. At number 2, the Jordan 3, the True Blues. This is the 2016 release. I wear these quite a bit. I have 2 tags. I found one. Probably gonna put those in my car when I get one. Hello? Oh, okay. Could you give me a drum roll in editing, Albert, right now? Okay. At number 1, we have to end it off correctly with my favorite silhouette, the Jordan 1. 2016 Bred 1s. I would call this sensational leather quality. The best sneaker I've ever owned. Hello? Bye. 9 to 28.
You know, this cracked at this party.
Really?
Yep.
What kind of party was that?
The one on top of me was her birthday. That sounded really weird.
All of a sudden, yeah, all of a sudden.
What's your favorite shoe of all time, Daniel?
Hello? Bye. Bred 1s.
The Bred ones?
Yes.
Your
3rd and 10.
Clap it up for a good play. Round of applause. Round of applause, David. Round of applause. First down.
He's kind of airheaded. Come on.
Tom Brady is not intelligent.
He got the smarts for all
got
the
it for
parts.
sport.
Come on. Oh no! Oh, he got it! He got it! Come on, let's go, man!
No, it hit the ground.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't! No!
I'm a Seahawks fan, but I'm also a football fan, Mom.
Right?
I don't want a blowout. I want this to go into like overtime.
Seriously.
I want it.
Guys, we need the Falcons to win. Oh my God.
If you
First
could
down.
describe Tom Brady in one word, what would that one word be?
Unicorn.
I'm not allowed to say on this recording.
MVP!
The 2-point conversion attempt.
He went across the white line. He went across.
The ball was across the end zone.
Touchdown. Crossed it.
28 to 28.
This is where legends are made.
What is he drinking right there? What is he drinking? I need some of that. I need some of that right now. I need some of that. That's called gorgeous juice.
Hey, Mom, can you teach us how to make the Tom Brady?
Run!
Messi won.
No, run!
One.
No,
One.
run!
Rust?
Breast?
Rust.
Rust?
Look at the chompers on that one. Nurse Elise? Nurse Elise? Nursery.
Horses?
Nurses.
No.
Curses. Verses. We're trying to get home. There's so much snow right now. It is ridiculous.
Safe and sound. Yes. I think I could have driven that.
Okay. If you say so.
Look at all this snow. We got snow in the car. Good job, babe. You made it one piece.
We just got home. Dang, look at Misha's car. Covered. Snowing like crazy outside. How was that, babe?
What was what?
That drive.
It was kind of scary.
We gotta take the dog.